Hey, I noticed that Excel seems to have changed its behavior with frequency function. So I thought maybe I'd just share this video with everyone. So here, let me erase this filled in frequency. You still have to be a little bit careful about it, but not as careful as we used to be. So here I want to fill in the frequencies, right? And I can just take equal frequency, select the data, select the upper endpoints of the bins, except the last one. And then I'll sort of explain what it does with that. Notice I'm not selecting where the frequencies are going to go, and I'm not going to hit Control-Shift-Enter or anything like that. I'm just going to hit Enter, and it fills in that whole little block, right? And what the default is it counts everything less than or equal to the upper end of the bins, except for the last bin. So here it counted everything less than or equal to 10, right? There's 41 things less than or equal to 10. But then up here, it just counts everything greater than 10, right? So that's its default behavior. So basically, this is like, open interval 10 to infinity. Same thing on the first one, right? It just counts everything less than or equal to 4. So it treats these first few upper endpoints as real upper endpoints, but then the last one it sort of ignores and just counts everything greater than this last one. Right, so notice I didn't highlight the 12. If you highlight the 12, it'll say something about overspill or something like that. It doesn't actually hurt. It just gives you a 0 down here at the bottom. But anyway, this seems to be easier than it used to be. So maybe it's useful information.